Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to merge cells or data in a spreadsheet in Excel. I have a fictional spreadsheet on my screen here showing sales figures by month and by state, and I want to, I also want to show by quarter and by region. What I want to illustrate is how to format the text by using the merge cell option so that the table looks nicer. So what I'm going to do is start with quarter one here, and you can see that I've entered quarter one, the word quarter one, in cell C1, but I want that to appear across all three columns for January, February, and March. So I'm going to select those three cells, and I'm going to click on the merge cell, the merge menu. It might look differently on your computer, but you want to find something called merge, and I'm going to select merge and center. And then I'm going to go to quarter two, and I'm going to do the same thing, merge and center. And I'm going to go to quarter three and do merge and center. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to merge cells and data on a sheet in Excel. Thank you for watching.